In the forgotten corners of the world, where time itself seems to hold its breath, attics keep secrets. Up here, sunlight streams through a single grimy window, illuminating a universe of dust motes dancing in the air. Cobwebs, like delicate lace, drape over forgotten treasures. Among them sits a simple wooden box, weathered and silent. But it is not entirely still. Inside, something tiny stirs. A single shriveled bean seed, seemingly lost to time, rattles with a life unseen. A faint golden light begins to pulse from within the seed. It's a gentle, rhythmic beat, like a tiny, sleeping heart. This pulse isn't contained by the wood. It travels through the very grain of the box, a silent whisper sent out into the world. It's a call, a memory of life, waiting for someone to listen. Down below, in a garden brimming with wild, untamed life, a young woman named Lina tends to her plants. Suddenly, she stills. Her hand flies to her chest as she feels it a faint, rhythmic echo within her own heart. She looks up, her brow furrowed in wonder. At that moment, a small, curious creature, made of moss and morning dew, a spore sprite, lands gently on her shoulder, chirping a soft, inquisitive note. It felt the call, too. Drawn by this invisible thread, Lina makes her way to the attic, the old stairs creaking a welcome. She finds the source, the simple wooden box, now humming with a quiet energy. She doesn't pry it or force it. Instead, she approaches with a gentle reverence, placing her palm flat against the lid. The wood answers her touch. It softens, not breaking, but transforming. Tiny roots sprout from its corners, and the box unfurls its sides like the petals of a blooming flower, revealing the source of the mysterious call. There, nestled in the center, lies the seed. Its golden glow, now bright and steady. Lina carefully picks it up, its warmth spreading through her fingertips. The light reflects in her wide, curious eyes, a universe of possibility held in her palm. The little spore sprite on her shoulder snuggles closer, pressing against the seed. And together, in the silence of the attic, they begin to hear it a faint, beautiful melody, a song of slumber and dreams. It is the seed's song, the dream it has held for an eternity. The melody carries them away into the seed's own memory. Images flash before Lina's mind, a vast, vibrant forest, stretching as far as the eye could see. Towering trees with canopies that touch the clouds, a symphony of life in every leaf and stream. A world of perfect balance and profound health. A world now lost, existing only in this single, powerful dream. Returning to the dusty attic, Lina knows what she must do. With gentle hands, she wraps the precious seed in a soft green leaf and places it inside a locket she wears. She closes it, and the locket now rests against her chest, glowing with a soft, warm light over her heart. The seed's melody is a constant, gentle hum against her skin. A look of quiet determination settles on her face. This is no longer just a seed, it is a promise. She turns and leaves the attic, her steps now filled with purpose. The camera lingers behind, focusing on the empty, open box. As the dust settles, a miracle unfolds. From the very spot where the box had rested, a single new green shoot pushes its way through the old floorboards, reaching for the light. Life answers life. Back in her overgrown magical garden, Lina pauses. She feels a new sensation. The seed in her locket seems to be singing louder now, and in response, other seeds she carries in the pockets of her apron begin to awaken. One by one, they too begin to glow, answering the call of their long-lost kin, creating a constellation of light around her. Lina lifts her gaze, looking past her garden towards the distant mist-shrouded mountains that rim the horizon. The seed's melody swells, no longer just a whisper, but a powerful, hopeful anthem carried on the wind. The journey has just begun. The forest stream is now her own,